my goal right now is like, I'm going to wear it curly until the humidity says F you. And then I'm going to get braids. Hey guys, it's Q with QLovesHair, and in today's video we are giving homage to the curly girls. Yeah, we're talking about this bouncy, voluminous, spirally, corkscrew, zigzag, wavy, whatever your curl pattern is. This is the technique that I use to form curls in the salon, and my clients absolutely love it. No two-strand twist, no braid outs, no spending all day under the dryer. So let's get started. This service is performed on a fresh, clean head of hair. People tend to underestimate the power of the right shampoo and the right conditioner. For my clients, I chose the Chi Aloe Vera with Agave Nectar shampoo and conditioner because it is a line dedicated to curly girls. Also, most of the line is over 90% natural, and as you know, curly girls really benefit from natural ingredients. The next step is detangling the hair. I use the Chi Aloe Vera leave-in conditioner. I put a generous amount, maybe about a dime size, into my hands, emulsify, and then I really focus on the ends of the hair and work my way up to the scalp. I use my fingers to detangle pretty extensively until I feel that section is tangle free. At this point, I make a quick Bantu knot. I use a heavy duty clip to hold the hair in place. This keeps the hair damp so it doesn't dry out. Okay, so our next step, I missed a strand. Sorry. Where was I? Oh yeah, next step. So I'm going to use the Chi Aloe Revitalizing Spray because this stuff literally does what it says. It revitalizes the curl in the hair. Just watch this. Is that not satisfying? Look at the definition and look at the tightness of her curl now with just a little bit of the revitalizing spray. So, definitely go grab that. And while you're grabbing product, grab some Nairobi Foam. This is the product that I use to set the natural curl pattern. So you're going to apply it liberally to the hair, paying close attention to the root area. And then you're going to take the coarse section of the comb and comb that product through the hair from the ends to the roots, and then from the roots to the ends. Keep combing the hair until you've defined your natural curl pattern. It really is that simple. So I'm gonna stop talking and I want you to just watch so you can see how easy it really is. Beautiful. So this is the end result, and as you can see, even through the foam, her curls are beautifully defined. So the next step is the dryer for about 15 to 30 minutes. Comment below the longest time you've ever sat under the dryer. She was under the dryer about 20-25 minutes, and now we are adding the Chi Aloe Vera oil, and we're going to put about a quarter size drop in our hands and just massage it throughout the hair, focusing on the roots and the ends, but not disturbing the curl pattern. I'm now using a product for her edges. This is just for the finished look. You don't have to do this, but it's certainly an option. So we're almost done with this process. The last thing that we need to do is fluff the roots. You can use a pick-like comb as long as the teeth are wide, because you're going to go into the roots and begin to lift the hair up gently. The goal is again to not disturb the curl pattern. This is not a requirement unless you have an event to go to. You don't necessarily have to waste your time on fluffing. It will grow all on its own. Again, not a requirement, but she gets her hair trimmed literally once a year when she's in town. So I am going through with my shears, framing her face, shaping her curls a little bit more until we get the look that she wants. So basically that's it. We are done. She has beautiful, bouncy, weightless curls, and she is feeling herself. Pose, honey. So we can fully appreciate why she's posing, I just thought we'd look at her before one more time. So this is what we started with, and this is what she's leaving with. I hope this was an easy process for you to follow. Please let me know if you try it out. This is her natural God-given curl pattern. And if you have curly hair, you have one too. So give it a try and see what God has blessed you with. As always, I'd love to hear from you, so let's talk about it in the comments. I'm Q with QLovesHair, reminding you to take care of what you love. Until next time, bye.